Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Well, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys know, do you guys know that Fashion Nova have Luxe line, as in some good quality outfits, like classy outfits you could wear out to occasion. You could wear it to your award ceremony, you could wear it to a wedding, to a birthday party, you could wear it to a big event, red carpet even, if I may say. So today I brought you guys a couple of their dresses that they have on their Luxe line, so we could see if y'all like it the way I love it. Okay, so you guys should be able to love what I love. Okay, at this point, okay, we've been together for a while, but I just want to say thank you to all our new subscribers, guys. I went away and then I came back, and then my channel kind of went AWOL, which I love and I thank God for, and I'm very, very grateful. And I'm so grateful to you guys also for finding my channel and finding it and staying and watching. I do really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to turn on your post notification, this bell right here, so you will be notified every time your girl drop a video. Guys, if you guys want to support your girls, there are different ways you can support me. I have a members only, I have a token and stuff that you are super things that you could support me on. They are on my channel, so go ahead and check them out. I will really appreciate it, and it will also help me out here on YouTube. Okay guys, without further ado, let's see what these dresses are doing. Literally everything I'm gonna show you guys, they are gonna be black, but we know black is a classic color that you could dress up, dress down, and still look really cute. And it will also snatch you. Y'all know black makes you look smaller and all that good stuff. So that's the reason why I got black. You could style black with any color. So black is like a canvas, and then you can just, your imagination can run wild with a canvas. So the first one I got, it is this beautiful altar. Move back a little bit. It is this beautiful, most of them are also going to be altar neck and stuff like that. So yeah, this is this beautiful altar dress right here. It does come with this beautiful embellishment right here on the neck, straight up to the chest area. All you have to do is pop it on right here, and you are good to go. The back is open, and then it does come with a slit right here in the front. As always, the video will be right here so you guys can see it on my body and see what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is so cute. It is very long. With heels, you're gonna be looking for light. With this, I feel like you don't need too many accessories, especially necklace, because this right here is already it. But if you want to add necklace to it, you could just add like a quick, like a little tiny pendant necklace, and I think you will be. It does have a zipper on the back, and this is called Jadine bandage gown, color black, size medium. It's very stretchy. The neck part was a little bit too long for me. Almost all the altar, they're a little bit long for me. I don't know what I would do about that. Probably take it to the tailor so they can fix it and it will look right on me. So yeah, that's the goal for right now. But everything that I got are all in size medium. Okay guys, have you gone somewhere and you saw an outfit on somebody and you were like, I want that outfit, and you can't even go to them because you don't know this person? You can't even go to them and say, excuse me, where did you get that dress from? Maybe you can, maybe you cannot. I don't think I can. If I don't know you that well, I can't. So this lady, I went to a wedding, so I saw this dress on one of the guests at the wedding, and I was like, this dress is fire. This dress is so freaking good. Tell me why I went on Fashion Nova and the first thing that popped on my face is the same dress. I was like, the dress is this one right here. If you guys already have all the dresses that I'm showing you guys, let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section so we can compare notes. So it is this dress right here. Another altar, but this one has pearls. You know your girl loves some pearls. Okay, it has pearls right here and also right here, and going down all the way down to the leg area. Guys, it is beautiful. I just love bandage dress because I feel like it will snatch you, and it's such a good classy material to me. It does come with a zipper at the back, and also the back is open. Really cute dress. All right, this one is called Ravenna Embellished Bandage Maxi dress in black, and I also got it in a size medium. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it, but y'all will definitely see it on the screen. Go to the tailor so they can, you know, custom it to my body. This next one, ooh, this ain't for the summer. This is not for the summer because you're gonna be hot in this dress. I know you guys have seen this dress on Fashion Nova, and it is heavy. Do you guys see? Do you guys see the beaded work on the neck of this thing? It is on the neck, and it's also right here on the sleeve part. This is like covering you all the way, but it does have an opening right here on the back, and it does have a slit at the back also. Gorgeous. This dress fit me like a glove, which I've gone down a size to a small though. Wish I've gotten to a small. All these dresses, I wish I've gotten them in a small, but medium is still okay. So I'm not gonna go to the tailor and make them fix it for me on the side. Cost me top $10 to do all of that. But this is so freaking cute with gold accessories or black accessories. Your purse is gold and your shoe is gold, or your purse is black and your shoe is black, and this would just be the star of the show. I freaking love it. And this one is called Cleo Embellished Maxi Dress, black gold in a size medium. Love it. It is all the way down to the floor. Also, it will be covering your heel. Okay guys, if you've been with me for a while, you know, or you started watching my video, you know I say if I like something and it comes in multiple color, guess what? We are buying it. We are buying it because you won't see it tomorrow when you go back to get it. Okay, so the next one we are going to be talking about, it is these two dresses right here. So freaking beautiful. There's a black and white of it, which is so freaking cute. It does also have an opening at the back. They do come with a hook. So with the other one, the one I showed you guys before now also have a hook right here on the neck area. So it does have a hook right there all the way down. Also have a slit right here at the bottom part. Fits just like a glove, has a mock turtleneck. This is so freaking cute. You could wear this with all black or white accessory or a silver accessory. I think that will pretty much go with this one. And then we have the brown gold situation going on. Same thing. It does also have a hook right here on the neck area, open back here, and also have a slit going down at the back, long all the way down to the floor, which I really appreciate. This one right here, you could style with all gold, or you could do like a nude color purse and a clear purse and a nude kind of heels. I think that would be very good with this one. Really cute, really nice if you are still in the cold area, if your place is still really cold and you have an occasion. And these clothes can also be wear for prom, you feel me? They could be wear for prom if you're a simple kind of person. I feel like this too would be good also for prom. And the two alternate one that I showed you guys, this one will be perfect for prom. So yeah, this is so freaking cool, and both of them are called Claudia Neat Maxi Dress. This is in Cognac, and I got this in a small. Thank you, Jesus. And the other one is in black and white. Also got it in a small. Love it, guys. Go in the comment section and let me know which one you like better in this two. Do you like the Cognac one, or do you like the black and white combo? All right, guys. The next one we are going to talk about, it is this outer right here. This right here is so freaking cute. I love it. It's another outer. Really big on my neck. Also needs to take it to the tailor. Such a beautiful dress. It also open on the back with a zipper going down. This doesn't have any slit at all on it, but it does flare out at the leg. You guys can see like a mermaid situation. It does flare out at the leg. The only thing about this that I feel like they did not do right is the embellishment I feel like they should have sewn it on instead of gluing it on it. That's the only issue that I have on it, because it's starting to like peel off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it, like maybe sew it at the edge. I'm going to glue it back down, and then I'm going to sew it like at the edge area so it doesn't come apart anymore. I think that's probably what I would do. And when I was trying it on, your girl put a hole in it. It's not going to show by the time I put it on and all that good stuff. It is such a beautiful, beautiful dress. Me and my daughter was over here struggling to zip this up to when I was trying it on. Such a beautiful, beautiful dress. I love every single dress that I got here with this their Luxe line. I really, really, really like it. So this one is called Carmen Bandage Maxi dress in color black, also in a medium. Like hold my girls up, like oof, the girl was girling that in this dress. Okay guys, the last one we got, it is this gorgeous red one right over here. So freaking cute. It does come in black, so if you like the black one, I will link it also for you guys so you can cop it. And it does come in this red beautiful color. This could be one to your Valentine's with your man if you want to be extra. This will be so freaking cute also. Do you guys see all the embellishment right there? Like this flower right here just sit right here on the girls, baby. The girls. So freaking cute. This would definitely go well with the silver accessories because all of this is silver, and I like the fact that it is made well. I'm like scratching it right now to see if anything will fall off, and it's still standing. We freaking love it. I love it, love it. So cute. And it does also have a slit right here on the side. So if you're a slit girl, this will be so cute on you. This is called Oscar's Lady Embellished Maxi Dress in the color red, size medium. So like I said, all these clothes could be worn on the red carpet, okay? So yeah, if you're invited to a red carpet and you don't have anything classy in your closet, just go to Fashion Nova and order something. Most of them probably order from Fashion Nova too. So, so yeah, this is so freaking cute. I love it. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoy, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It will always help me out here on YouTube. And if you are new and you are watching, don't forget to subscribe. There must be something you see that made you come to this channel, okay? Everything that I have on will definitely be linked in the description box, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And like I said, I have different ways you can support me on my channel, so go ahead and join. Check out my channel, check out everything, even old. If you are new here, check out all the old videos. You will not regret. All right guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.